The importance of burping newborns is so underrated because if they're upset and they've already been fed and changed, chances are it's because they need to burp. And if they don't get the burp out, it'll turn into gas, and that is way more difficult, and they will be upset. Right? If you feed a newborn and you give them a little pat and they don't burp and you think, oh, they don't need to burp, wrong, you're wrong. They do need to burp. You just need to change your technique. Shall we show them? This is my secret foolproof burping technique. Just watch it not work this time. Okay, you want to sit them up. Put your hand, like the palm of your hand, against their chest to support them. Hi, bud. And then rest their head between your fingers. And then you're going to pick them up by their little butt and just wiggle them around. Good job, buddy. And if that doesn't work, then what I do is I sit them down and I smooth my hand up their spine to straighten it out, and he usually does a big stretch, and then I'll rock him side to side and around in a circle because you want to make space in their tummy so that the gas can escape. And then I'll pat his back, and then if that's still not working, I'll straighten him out again, go up to the shoulder, and you just kind of keep them moving around. You don't just want to sit them in one spot hunched over and pat their back for ages until they burp. But I usually find that making that space in their belly and giving them some movement does the trick. But yeah, get that burp out. It might take a few minutes. Oh, you might have to try a few different things or even put them down and pick them back up again, but get it out at all costs or else you will not sleep. Oh, and then once they've burped, offer them more food because they just made a bunch more space in their belly, and chances are now they're hungry again. And then after that, you gotta burp them again. So have fun with that.